Hello, hope you're doing great. This is Mariappan Rajan, and in this video, I would like to share how the most important skill in AI right now is not AI. It's actually the harness. Think about it. A car is powerful, but it's useless without steering controls. Every programming language that you've ever used, that's a harness. Python, C++, Java, different philosophies, same job, giving you control over the machine. Now we have LLMs, arguably the most powerful technology in our generation. And what matters most? The harness that you put on top of it. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, these are not the engines, they are the steering controls. And here's what most engineers get wrong. They marry the harness instead of mastering the harnessing. If you can drive a Toyota, you can definitely drive a BMW. It's just a different steering interface. Don't obsess over the tool. Master the art of steering. The best engineers are not the ones using the best AI. They are the ones who know how to steer it. Thanks for watching.